Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of As a Billionist Heroine, It's Normal for Me to Develop a Yandere Heroine. Chapter 30. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Oh, Xiaoyang, she's getting angry. Do you dare to hurt her? Oh, looking at herself. She looks really furious. Someone wants to harm Starju. Right now, it's going after her. Starju said, Xiaoyang, she has me in her hearts. Oh, looking at her, she still wasn't faint. But she got really worried about Xiaoyang. Xiaoyang used a lot of magical power. Need to help Xiaoyang to defeat the monster. Right now, Starju said, I was wrong. Well, what is she trying to do? Starju said, Xiaoyang's condition is wrong. Right now, Starju, it seems that she wants to help Xiaoyang. Star power is emerging. Right now, she's going to use that magic to eliminate that beast. Well, suddenly, Xiaoyang's block her. Well, probably, Xiaoyang don't want other person to see Xiaoyang's magical power. That she's been favored by the star power. Right now, Xiaoyang, she moved and act quickly. She wanted to defeat the monster. And it seems like it was really successful. With her excellent skills on swords, finally, the beast has been cut in half. Xiaoyang, she was really great. Even though the enemy is a real monster, she easily defeated the monster. Xiaoyang said to Starju, can you move another one and see? Well, right now, she wants her to step away from hers, so that she can easily defeat the monster. Xiaoyang, her grace moved, the swords moved fast, into different direction, and it turns out, the monster put it into pieces. So this is it. Miss Sarah, she looks really surprised. And also the prince. And right now, she is asking Miss Changyang what happened. Even though she knows what will happen. To make herself clean, this scenes right now, was acting that she was concerned to Jiang Yang. But right now, Xiaoyang looks a little exhausted. Maybe using a lot of magical power can easily drain your body. This matter starts with Jiang Yang's time travel. In the world of cultivating immortals, eliminating people, and seizing treasure is just a commonplace. The law-abiding citizens in the 21st century, Jiang Yang is destined not to accept this worldview easily. Jiang Yang, she was shocked. And you see, a lot of things different from her visions. Her, but surviving is more important than anything else. Even though she was shocked, still, she remained calm herself. She needed to survive on her own. So back then, Jiang Yang found a way to skip class. Pure Heart Talisman. So it means that even this world is cruel, she needs to survive on her own. And also, fear, love, anger, and despair. Survive in this world, Jiang Yang, she needs to suppress all her emotions. All of them, including love. Once the Pure Heart Talisman disappears, due to the extremely strong emotions, suppressed emotions will be burst out all at once. Well, it was Jiang Yang's thinking before. It's like she was a puppet doll, no feelings, shatter emotions, and everything, to give more control on herself. Right now, trying to move again, turns out the monster was still moving. She was led astray by you. She was not like this before. Right now, Starju, what she can do to help Xiaoyang. Xiaoyang herself, she was really eager to defeat that beast. Said to herself, wouldn't Cerberus be enough to wake her up? She really wants to wake herself up. It seems that we need more powerful children to help. Hey, you forced Xiaoyang into this. Now, you want to leave? Starju was asking. Xiaoyang, she put her swords into air. Right there, she wanted to strike the monster. Xiaoyang, she looks really angry. Suddenly, there's something wrong. There's a magic circle circling on the beast's head. Well, it turns out someone is activating the magic spells right now. And it's kind of different magic spell. A high magic spell wielded by a powerful person. What is that? Magic that I have never seen before. Now, the other party is getting curious. It seems that this boy knows about the origin of the magic. Star power. She's the one favored by the stars. The man seems to be knowledgeable. He knows something about star power. Arju, on her hand, the magic circle. Now she's been ready to strike the beast. No one's gonna know. It was really difficult to eliminate the high-ranking beast. Finally, the beast got defeated. But for Xiaoyang right now, she looks really worn out. Probably a lot of magical power has been used during the confrontations of the magical beast. Right now, it seems that the people in the banquet are muttering about the magical power of Stardew. Right now, it's over. It's over. The beast finally got defeated. Everyone was looking on Stardew. But suddenly this girl, Xiaoyang, noticed about something weird about her. Right now, Xiaoyang, she was looking at her. Xiaoyang, she's been really serious because she knows that Stardew got hurt. And right now, she wants them to pay on what's happened to Stardew. Xiaoyang suddenly ready her swords, and it seems that she was going to attack. And you touched her too. Xiaoyang, on the speed of light, she readied her sword to strike and said to herself in a screaming, Xiaoyang doesn't want it. Well, someone is controlling her. But right now, she said to herself, she really don't want to be controlled. It seems that she wants to strike Stardew. Now, Stardew, her left shoulder has been injured by the attack of Xiaoyang. Well, it must really hurt. And right now, Stardew said to her, wake up quickly. You need to wake up. Since Xiaoyang seems that she was not in herself. Stardew knows about it. That's why right now she wants to help Xiaoyang to come back herself. Since the monster is already defeated, she need to calm herself. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!